Here's my 1,500 mile review of the Goruck Macv-1s. They're in size 11. There's a lot of reviews online, so I'm not going to bore everybody with all the specs, but this is a brand new pair. They have about probably 2 miles on them, just to give everybody the idea of what they look like fresh out of the box. A little bit of dirt because I obviously walked in them, but not much. Pardon the lighting, I'm not exactly a videographer. And then here's my pair with 1,500 miles. These are my second pair of pre-order boots. My first pair fell apart pretty quickly right after 2 miles, and they got these to me within about 24 hours after I told them that they were bad. You can see the wear on the toe, a little bit on the heel, but not too much. And they break in superbly. I really love them. And this is my other one. Really wore out on the toe, around the midsole. It's kind of tore up from hiking in the Rockies on Blaney Butte, which is not really a mountain or anything, but it's a lot more rough than what we have here in Oklahoma. I've done one star course, 26.2 mile in Oklahoma City, and I'm training for the 50 miler this year. I'm not a GRT, I don't do the challenges, I just do the star courses. So that's my quick review. They wear out, it takes a while for them to wear out. I think I'll probably get another year out of these before I have to go to these full time. And as you can see, they shine up pretty good too. Thank you.